Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper on Wednesday, March the 16th, 2022. No, I've told you we have only three regular Sudokus and no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. So I've decided to solve the edition of Thursday, March the 3rd, 2022. Yes, almost 2 weeks ago. And I've already solved the 1 star, the 2 stars, and the binary. And now it's time for the Tectonic with a 1 star. And this will be number 4269. 4269. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because for a 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, always a 1. There's single box, always a 1. Then the following question, dual boxes. Do we see here dual boxes? I see here dual box, here also dual box. There's dual box. It contains the 1 and 2. Well, this box cannot be a 1. So, 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box should be a 2. Here also the 1 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 2. I do not know in which order. Here also the 1 and a 2. But we have a 2 there. So, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. Dual boxes. Triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes in this puzzle? No triple boxes. Then the following question, quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? I see here a quadra box. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be here. The quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Without the 5, okay. Here also a quadra box. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, this is the L shape, remember that the inside box is always a 5. Okay, always a 5. Okay, it contains, the quarter box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright, more quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here this shape. This shape, let me draw this shape here. Alright. This shape, when you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. So now we have 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay. Do we have more these kind of shapes? Here. Mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yeah, let me draw this shape here. Alright, this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay. The 3. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more these kind of shapes in this puzzle? Yeah. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. Alright. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Well, this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No. Then the last shape, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Alright, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 4 of them. There are maximum 5, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize? Well, the following step, the next step, it's then easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. How about these 2 boxes in this area? For the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4 are missing. 2 and the 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. These 2 boxes in this area for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, let me mark those 2 boxes for the 5. Okay. Then, I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have already a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4 now. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 1. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this L shape area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. This box cannot be A1. That box cannot be A1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Then. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, so 2 numbers left. In this quadra box for numbers 2 and 4, we have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. In this area, 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Find no 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you, faster than 15 minutes I need to solve this Tectonic with a 1 star. And I like this one, yes I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. All those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.